Another breakthrough on the vaccine. As they say in horse trading, riders up. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to BUBBA'S Daily Update for Monday, November the 16th. And once again, it's almost like a replay of last week. A potential another great vaccine, 94% accuracy by Moderna, and markets exploded all at one time and then slowly started to sell back off. The NASDAQ actually turned way negative, then came back and now is positive. So markets are up. They're up nicely right now. Now the question is, can they sustain this rally, or will it be more of a repeat like last Monday's, where it fades most of the day? I would say, if I were to guess, the highs are in for the day. Now, it doesn't mean that we're going to go down, but it wouldn't surprise me either. Okay, I have to just look at what the action's like. Now, we're long across the board, so of course that is a good thing, but it's a very challenging day. Volume continues to decrease, which is horrible for everything. But in the meantime, we are long, and we won't spend a lot of time on trade because I think that you got to really think about observing here, except for positions that you carry and manage. I would not be looking for a hell of a lot of new stuff today unless it was just something that I was waiting for. The bond market, slightly lower. We're short bonds and notes. Metals have been as wild as can be as well. They've been probably a $40 swing up and down. They immediately got crushed on the good news and have slowly come all the way back and now are slightly higher. Again, we're still short, and they have not violated or given me any reason to say, well, no, we're not going to be short anymore. Of course, the algorithm will decide, but at the end of the day, they still look like they should go lower. They look like there's a greater probability they'll break to the downside. We will be staying short until it changes. Nat gas is lower. Copper is higher. The dollar is lower. And crude is exploding as well. Listen, all the things you would expect that are going to help the economy are popping higher. So not a huge surprise to the rally, but again, I don't know if it'll hold or not. And I would say, if I were to guess, the highs are in. The grains were lower, now they're higher. They look great. Look, at the end of the day, the only weak link in the grain market is the wheat. And wheat, whether or not it can hold here and start to run up again. I think another down day before we get a rally is probably going to turn that short. Cattle and hogs are up all slightly. We still stand in the same, long cattle, short hogs. And of course, the softs, they're up across the board. Now, again, we're short long OJ, short cotton, short coffee, long sugar, and short cocoa. So it's kind of a mixed bag there, but overall, pretty good start to the week if we can hold somewhere up here. Again, basically most of our positions are coming back as we thought. The drawdown was near the end, and I think we're going to now start to see our positions start to pay us back handsomely for the hell they put us through. In the meantime, this is BUBBA'S Daily Update for Monday, November the 16th. Just a reminder, our friends at Family Farms, great partners. We enjoy them. They're nice people, and I just can't wait to get out because, again, I want to educate the community and help in protecting without giving up your upside. And our brokerage partners, I do have other brokers, but my brokerage partners I prefer, CTG for futures and commodities. They do a great job. They're the only one authorized for a lot of direction trading. Customer service, phenomenal. Tradier, equities and options, same thing, but they don't do a lot of direction, but we do have their API, and every one of our products is now automated. It is not available to the public yet. Now, you don't have to use the automation, but it is not available publicly either way. Tradier is $10 a month for the base package, and that's your commissions. I cannot understand why anybody who would not, who's active, would not want to use that as their trading platform. And of course, the commodity report, phenomenal, great response. The product has been great and has a tremendous amount of information to it. And of course, Andy Hecht is the author or the writer of it, a 40-some-year veteran of the markets of trading commodities. And our high school programming, we're trying to get it rebuilt. It's going to take some more time, but if you want to help us out, at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And in last night's game, we only had a pizza on the game, so it was no big deal either way. Tonight, the Bears at Minnesota, or Minnesota at the Bears. They're betting Minnesota like the game is over already. We're going to make a rather sizable bet on the Bears. You know how I hate to bet the Bears, but I think this is the right spot tonight. I think, again, back to mathematically, it's the spot. In the meantime, everybody have a great day. We'll see you back here tomorrow. Be careful. It's really challenging, especially with the declining volume. We'll see you back here tomorrow. Same time. Bubba's Daily Update. Have a great day.